Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the platform of meme coins. Ticker symbol is Payu, Payu basically. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow. This was just announced on a big central exchange's Twitter here 3 hours ago. We're going to go over the information on the platform of meme coins token and how you can get this token in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So it was just announced 3 hours ago on Mexc Global's Twitter that this token will be listed June 11th, which is tomorrow, at exactly 12 o'clock UTC time on Mexc Global. So you'll be able to get this token on Mexc tomorrow. Now, if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, and then search PAYU, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. Now, they have their own Twitter, which is at Payu_coin. They have 174,700 Twitter followers. They have the gold check mark, 153 tweets so far, and they just joined. That's an insane amount of followers for just joining in May 2023. So they're doing it insanely well here. Now, they do have a white paper as well. Now, if you go to their webpage, memecoins.finance, at the top of the page, you can find tokenomics, roadmap, team section. They have an audit on here. It looks like they were audited. Actually, it doesn't say. I'll probably have to click on it, but they do have a full audit up here. They have a buy now button, all sorts of information on their webpage, memecoins.finance. So, it's a 3-page white paper. It's not a super extensive white paper or anything like that. It says, if you are looking for a reliable and trustworthy way to earn passive income in the world of meme coins, look no further than memecoins.finance staking platform. This blockchain-based platform, owned and operated by Altcoin, offers a trusted staking system that allows you to earn meme coins simply by holding them in your wallet. So it says, by staking 1 billion Pepe coins for 3 months in this platform, you can earn a healthy 2.25% per month, resulting in a total earnings of 6.25% over the course of the staking period. With these returns, you can earn 62,500,000 Pepe coins, which you can withdraw to your wallet daily. This staking platform is not just a joke coin. This is a serious project with a verified smart contract and an audit report that ensures the safety and security of your investment. So if you're looking for a reliable and professional way to earn passive income with meme coins, then memecoins.finance staking platform is the way to go. So then it says, what is a meme coin? You know, obviously, I mean, people, if you know what a meme is, first of all, if you know what a meme is, like Doge or Wojak or anything, Pepe, it's a, viral idea or picture or artwork or video or anything that, you know, viral and it's well known throughout the populace. And then these people are just changing these things into crypto coins or inventing their own memes and making them into crypto coins. And most of the time, meme coins don't have much utility as opposed to, say, a blockchain coin or something else, right? Like they're going to be limited. Usually they have maybe NFTs or a play-to-earn game, things like that. They even have meme stocks these days, meme stocks, right? Like AMC, etc. So it's kind of strange how it's like a stock can become a meme stock just because people say so, right? Or, you know, they bring it back to life and then all of a sudden it's a meme stock. I digress. So what is staking? Staking is a process in which cryptocurrency holders volunteer to take part in validating transactions on the blockchain. In other words, checking that the ledger all adds up, and then you can get rewards too for staking your tokens. So on their webpage, it says the first and only meme coin DeFi stake platform in crypto. Harvest your earnings daily, and it says 3 months at 6%. It has different, so it's, you know, it shows different amounts of percentages and how much you can make for staking different tokens for different time periods. Goes over that on their webpage. All sorts of links here: CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, DEX tools, PancakeSwap, their BSC scan, PooCoin, Telegram, and Twitter. You can all find at memecoins.finance. Now, this token is down 15.89% today, according to CoinMarketCap, so it's not doing the greatest today. Now, let's check their BSC scan, though. Their BSC scan says they have 18,169 addresses, so this is a very well-established project. Doing very well. 50,401 transfers, 18 decimal places, and has a total supply right now of 543 trillion 210 billion 989 million Payu tokens. And on their web page here, it shows you how to buy off PancakeSwap. If you'd rather do that, it goes step by step on here. And it says honeypot, no. Buy and sell tax, 0%. Tokens are split up like this. 85% goes to PancakeSwap liquidity, 9% team owned and locked until May 2025, 6% marketing. And besides that, it's got a kind of a cookie cutter roadmap. Doesn't really say much on there. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know what you guys think about this token down there in the comment section. Do you guys think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Mexc global one where this token is being listed tomorrow. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.